My name is Tamia Casablanca, and I just had an interview with this place called Long Island Foot and Ankle, and I got hired. So thank you so much, Allen School. I'm very happy.
Hi, my name is Carmen Vega. I'm a recent graduate from the Allen School and also the valedictorian of the class 2019. I was recently hired by Dr. Singh with the help of the Career Services. Thank you, Allen School.
My name is Dory Gill. I just recently graduated from Allen School. I went to do my internship at NYU Medical Center, and I just got hired. Thank you, Allen School.
Hi, my name is Jose Fletcher. I went to the Allen School and completed their medical assistant program. I did my internship at North Shore Gastro in Great Neck, Long Island. And guess what? I got hired. Thank you,
Hi,
Allen.
my name is Charlene, and I worked at FMV Medical. That was my intern site, and I got hired. Oh my God, thank you, Allen School.
Hi, my name is Eva. I'm in the Allen School. I'm currently on internship. Luckily, I got hired at my internship site. Yay me. Thank you to Allen School for sending me to that site. I'm currently still learning clinicals and administrative, but I'm getting better at it every single day. Yay me.